Hey there, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and this is a quick tutorial on our schedule starter templates. When you first open up the project scheduler, you will be shown a blank schedule. So if you want to start building a schedule from scratch, you can add your first task to the schedule by clicking the plus icon along the toolbar and manually adding in each task on the schedule. But building a schedule from scratch can be very time consuming, which is why FlipperForce provides schedule starter templates to help you get started. To load in a schedule starter template, click the Template Options button in the upper right hand corner and click Load Templates. You have two different options for loading a schedule template. The first option is to use one of FlipperForce's pre-built starter templates. You can also customize and create your own schedule starter templates that are customized with your own schedule tasks, your order of operations, and durations. But for this video, we're going to assume that you haven't created your own custom schedule template, and we're going to be using one of FlipperForce's starter templates to help you get started. FlipperForce includes three different schedule starter templates. We have a gut rehab template, a cosmetic rehab template, and a new construction template. Select the starter template you want to use and click Save to load the schedule into the project scheduler. In a matter of seconds, the project scheduler will generate a detailed project schedule with tasks, durations, milestones, and dependencies that you can use to help you get started on your own project schedule. Once the schedule is loaded, you can customize the task descriptions, rearrange the order of operations, and change the durations to truly fit your specific project timeline. Once you get done completing your project schedule, you can save the schedule as a template that can be used on future projects. If you have any questions about our schedule starter templates, please shoot us a message in chat or send us an email.